Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IndiaGATE. This is Nandani Sharma, and we know that 3rd, 4th and 5th October dates will be decided for the AFCAT plus EKT examination in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. But don't worry guys, because we are totally prepared to defeat this pandemic as well as get good score in the AFCAT plus EKT examination. So in this video, I am informing that what's 5 most important things for examination purpose which are never neglected by all candidates on examination center. And we know very well how due to this pandemic COVID-19 all the examinations are postponed, and now all universities, government and other examination will be held day by day. So what's our first priority? So our first priority is our health. So because we know that our health is wealth, and according to the James Allen in essay The Secret of Health, Success and Power, so our first priority is our good health. Then you will get success and power by your hard work. Okay, and basis of our good health and safety, my first important things for us is mask, and second is your carry the hand sanitizer. So these two things are most important at this COVID-19 situation. And third most important as per the examination point of view, that is your admit card. And fourth most important is your candidate ID. So identity card is most important, and you should carry the recently photos, because many times centers are also taking the your recently photos. And last most important things, that is your fifth, is your self declaration form, because due to this COVID-19 pandemic, all the examination center taking this self declaration form which is related from the your COVID-19. Okay, so these 5 are most important things. First is your mask, second is sanitizer, third is admit card, fourth is identity card, and fifth is self declaration form. So you should carry these 5 things at the examination center. And there is another important things like your gloves, water, drinking water and all, but these are the our first priority and most important things to carry by the student at the examination center. And at the end of this video, my all good wishes to all AFCAT aspirants and all the best for your examination. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.